So this work is titled Aftershock, and it's an exploration of plaster sculptures. So there's over almost 2,000 pills in the sculpture behind me. So this work to me is a physical embodiment of the complexities and intensities of emotion. Coming through my practice, I've been really focused on exploring themes around mental health, medication, and also the pharmaceutical industry. So coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic, I feel like the mental health crisis was really noticeable. And so I have been really passionate about creating something that captured the weight and the seismic impact of that. So I'm inspired to make art from just general questions that I have about the world around me. What do these things mean? How can I contribute to the community even? And art really enables me to do that through either socially engaged practice or being able to explore and research concepts, and even through activism about issues that I'm passionate about. So all of those things together really inspire my practice.